Hello everybody, welcome back to German AutoHaus. Happy Monday, like Ilya say all the time. Subscribe, push the button, ding ding ding.
Subscribe, share,
do whatever you want, leave your comment. For us,
even if it's bad or good.
yeah, bad or good, and we do our job and look better and better and better all the time. Today, first, I would like to start work on Lamborghini LP. No, it's a Pre LP, right?
It's a Pre LP.
Pre LP. It's a close looks like to Superleggera, but it's actually no. This is just a 04 LP, Pre LP. Sorry again, with a manual gearbox. It's nice to drive, stick transmission.
Lamborghini.
Burning clutch.
Finally, we don't have to push it in.
And we got the Spec race clutch, ceramic twin pack clutch, and this is what we want to install and check how is the car with this clutch. I know this company, I used few times for Audis, and we'll see if that clutch pack is good. I would like to buy it for my blue Audi, because my clutch is almost, I mean, it's not almost, I think it's not hold that power what we apply now. This is my, now it's lowest point. Ferrari. We need to work on the service. It's a beautiful and really low miles California. It's not California T. You can see this is like that previous lot. We have one more California, but that California T is NA engine and just simple annual service and that's it. Yeah, here is the whole plan, but let's start turn down. Pull apart and found some really good gift. It's like gift. See what happens? The input shaft is broken. It's cut because the bearing is stuck. I mean, it's almost stuck. Yeah, and here is the clutch. I know this clutch. This is famous Pega clutch. It's like you can see this ceramic, this another ceramic, and they say it's a carbon Kevlar. I don't know, but it's a few pieces over there, and I don't know what happens. Maybe it's have a load on that input shaft and bearing is stuck, but we have a problem. And probably, or we need rebuild whole transmission, or I would like to weld that input shaft and machine and then assemble everything back, but we'll see. But now actually we need to take out that bearing from crankshaft, and I want to show you some trick. If you don't have any slide hammer and tools for that removal, you can use a bread.
He will show you how to use a piece of bread to get a bearing out of the, to get a bearing out. So hang on tight, and you're about to see some magic.
Yeah, let me move this guy. Here is the bread over there, and
fresh bread.
Yeah, of course.
I don't believe you guys.
More bread.
Looks hungry.
Yep. More bread. It's coming.
Look
Almost.
at that, it's coming out.
Almost here.
So if you have a stuck, you need to press a bearing out. There you go.
Oops. Right here. Here is the damage bearing. What? Here's the
And you
trick.
still have
Yeah,
more
half.
food for the snacks.
Yep. Okay. Now it's new clutch in, that new Spec 2-pack clutch with the ceramic. All bolt, torque by specification. The 70 newtons bolt flywheel to crankshaft, and this 9 bolt pressure plate to flywheel, 8 newtons, and then 90-degree torque. Sorry guys, not 8. It's 8 foot-pound torque and 90-degree. Now central piece is out, and then already fix that input shaft. We just weld and cut because it's really not important. I mean, this is just for like a center cup. And now it's time to install that transmission back and check how is everything. Well, we get our bumper back, and it looks amazing from powder coating company. And here is our off-road German AutoHaus off-road car. Okay guys, I would like to remind what we did. We just did this piece delete, and we installed a big fat tire. We done few more things. Of course we serviced this car, and now today I want to show you how to install that bumper. It's a custom bumper, and we need cut. I already start from this side. You can see I need to cut this piece because I don't need it, and I need to cut this frame, and then I need to weld it this guy, and then install the bumper. I still don't have the winch because I need a 12,000 pound, and I would like to use not steel cable, I want to use synthetic cable. But that, I'm really excited. I really want to install and check how the car looks. Now I need to cut this whole frame. It's a big things, but let's start. Okay, lower piece already cut. I take the big saw. Yeah, now as I dump this stuff, and now I need to clean and start weld the frame bracket. Now it's already in. I need to adjust the level, guys. Not forgot to use the level. Now adjust, and I need to weld all around. Then I need to cut this little bit, pre-cut the plate, bend it, and weld it again. This is special earth for more better support. But now it's actually, for me, it looks good. Let's start weld. Well, the support is already welded. I weld 2 earths for tooling. Now my wife, she helped me, assist me to install the bumper, and let's see how is the bumper looks. Just a tight Q-knot. Wow. Wow. So aggressive. It looks like car is ready for off-road. Yeah, except we need a winch and I think some LED light, but I will install today. Now actually I need to take out the bumper. I wanna use undercoat to protect this all metal, and then install